Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update secure storage using Keychain and Keystore, complete guide step by step clearly. To update secure storage using Keychain and Keystore, start by understanding the platforms involved. Keychain is specific to Apple devices, while Keystore is used in Android. Begin with the Keychain on iOS devices. Open your Xcode project and ensure you have the necessary capabilities enabled for Keychain access. Locate the section in your code where you manage secure storage. Use the SEC-item delete function to remove outdated or unnecessary data. Next, implement the SEC-item add function to insert new or updated credentials. Make sure you provide the correct attributes such as account, service, and access group. Check for any errors after adding or updating your Keychain items. Now, transition to the Android Keystore system. Open your Android Studio project and make sure you have the proper permissions set in your manifest. Identify where you handle secure storage in your code. Use the Keystore class to access the Keystore instance. If you have existing keys that need updating, call the delete entry method to remove old keys. Create a new key by using the Keygen parameter spec builder to specify your requirements. Set attributes like key alias, purpose, and validity period. Use the key generator to generate your new key. Ensure to handle any exceptions that may arise during the key generation process. After storing new keys, verify their existence by retrieving them with the Keystore instance. Remember to keep your app's security practices up to date. Regularly review and update your secure storage methodology. By integrating Keychain for iOS and Keystore for Android, you ensure a robust and secure storage system for sensitive data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.